Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Name the country where the first industrial revolution took place. A. America, B. Germany, C. France, and D. Great Britain. The correct answer is Great Britain. The Industrial Revolution was the transition to new manufacturing process in the period from the about 1760 to sometimes between 1820 to 1840. Question number 2. Which of the following country is regarded as the home of Fabian socialism? A. Russia, B. Britain, C. France, and D. Italy. The correct answer is Britain. The Fabian Society, founded in London in 1884, this socialist society aimed to establish democratic socialist state in Great Britain. Question number 3. From which language has the term democracy been derived? A. Greek, B. Hebrew, C. English, and D. Latin. The correct answer is Greek. The term democracy has been derived from the Greek word demokratia, which means the rule of people. It was coined from the demos, people, and the eratos, the power of rule, in 5th century BC to denote the political system then existing in Greek city-state nobility Athens. Question number 4. The temperate grassland of the South America are called A. Prairies, B. Downs, C. Pampas, and D. Steppes. The correct answer is Pampas. The temperate grassland of South America are called the Pampas. The Pampas cover more than 12 lakh square kilometer and include part of the Argentina, Uruguay, and Brazil. The Pampas have a warm climate with well-distributed rainfall throughout the year. Question number 5. In which Indian state did the game of polo originate? A. Meghalaya, B. West Bengal, C. Rajasthan, and D. Manipur. The correct answer is Manipur. Question number 6. Which of the following deserts have been named after the phrase the Great Thirst? A. Kalahari Desert, B. Namib Desert, C. Sahara Desert, and D. Mojave Desert. The correct answer is Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert of South Africa is named after the Tswana word K Gala, meaning the Great Thirst, or K Gala Gadi, meaning the waterless place. It has a vast area covered by red sand without any permanent surface water. It extends 9 lakh kilometers over a much Botswana part of Namibia and the region of South Africa. Question number 7. Is the country whose 40% of the area is below sea level at high tide? Is A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. the Netherlands. The correct answer is Netherlands. The Netherlands is a country located in the northern West Europe. It is known for its low-lying geography and the extensive network of canals, rivers, and the dikes. About 40% of the country's land area is below sea level, which means that during high tide, these areas are submerged under water. Question number 8. Which one of the following tribal assembly was normally involved in the election of tribal chief? A. Samiti, B. Gana, C. Sabha, and D. Vidata. The correct answer is Samiti. The several tribal assemblies such as the Sabha, Samiti, Vidata, and the Gana mentioned in the Rig Veda exercised deliberative military, and the religion function. But from the political point of view, important were Sabha and Samiti. Question number 9. Where is WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine going to be established in India? A. Jaipur, B. Delhi, C. Jamnagar, and D. Haridwar. The correct answer is Jamnagar. Question number 10. Where has the Geological Survey of India located most of India chromite? A. Cuttack, B. Singhbhumi, Bhum, C. Hubuli, and D. Manipur. The correct answer is Cuttack. Question number 11. The world's first electric satellite was launched by A. SpaceX, B. ISRO, C. European Space Agency, and D. NASA. The correct answer is SpaceX. Question number 12. Chalukya Temple, Jain Temple at Dilwara are situated in A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, and D. Haryana. The correct answer is Rajasthan. The Dilwara Jain Temple are located near Mount Abu in Rajasthan. These temples were built by Jain laymen between the 11th and 13th century AD and are world famous for their stunning use of marble. Dilwara temple are sacred pilgrimage place of the Jains. Question number 13. Which flower is used as the national symbol of Vietnam? A. Lotus, B. Tulip, C. Rose, and D. Lily. The correct answer is lotus. Question number 14. The chief raw material used for manufacturing rayon is A. Nylon, B. Cellulose, C. Silicon, and D. Radium and argon. The correct answer is cellulose. The primary raw material used to make a rayon is a cellulose, which is derived from wood pulp. Rayon is often marketed as an eco-friendly fiber because it's made from natural, renewable material. However, since the wood pulp is chemically treated to create a rayon, it's considered a man-made fiber. Question number 15. Buddha gave his first sermon at the Deer Park in A. Magad, B. Sarnath, C. Sanchi, and D. Lumbini. The correct answer is Sarnath. After attaining alignment at Bodh Gaya, Gautam Buddha went to Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. It was at the Deer Park in Sarnath that he preached his first discourse on the Four Noble Truths to a group of 5 monks and set in motion wheel of the Dhamma. Question number 16. On which river in the Tehri Dam built? A. Alaknanda, B. Hogli, C. Ganga, and D. Bhagirathi. The correct answer is Bhagirathi. The Tehri Dam is a multi-purpose rock and earth-filled embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand. It is the tallest dam in India. It is primarily dam of the THDC India Limited and the Tehri Hydroelectric Complex. Question number 17. The variety of coffee largely grown in India is A. Old Chicks, B. Corgs, C. Arabica, and D. Kents. The correct answer is Arabica. Coffee production in India is dominated in the hill tracts of the South Indian state, with the state of Karnataka accounting 53%, followed by the Kerala 28% and Tamil Nadu 11%, production of 8,200 tons. Question number 18. Which bird is the symbol of peace? A. Eagle, B. Owl, C. Parrot, and D. Dove. The correct answer is dove. Doves, typically domestic pigeon, white in plumage, are used in many settings as symbol of peace, freedom, or love. Dove appear in the symbolism of Judaism, Christianism, Islam, and the paganism, and the both military and pacifist groups. Question number 19. Which carbohydrate is used in silvering of mirrors? A. Fructose, B. Sucrose, C. Glucose, and D. Starch. The correct answer is glucose. Glucose is a reducing sugar that contains an aldehydic group which allow it to reduce tolerance region to silver metal. This process is used to deposit a thin layer of silver on a glass surface. Question number 20. In plant, water is absorbed by the roots hair by a process called A. Transpiration, B. Respiration, C. Osmosis, and D. Perspiration. The correct answer is osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. In the case of root hairs, the concentration of water molecules is lower in the root hair and then is soil. So water moves into the root hair through osmosis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.